Good morning, students. Welcome to this English class. Students, as you know, we have done chapter 6 of Beehive, My Childhood. Now, in this class, we will discuss the summary of the chapter My Childhood. So, let's start. My Childhood is an extract from Abdul Kalam's book Wings of Fire. It is about Kalam's childhood. Kalam belonged to a middle class family. In this chapter, he describes his house and his family. He tells us how he earned his first wages, his new teacher's caste action, and his inheritance of human values. So he tells us all these events of his life in this chapter, My Childhood. So let's start the summary of the chapter. The narrator, Abdul Kalam, was born at Rameshwaram in 1931. His father was neither educated nor rich. However, they were quite generous and kind. His parents were quite generous and kind. Okay? His parents were neither educated nor rich, but they were quite generous and kind. He had 3 sisters and 1 brother. All of them lived in their large Pakka ancestral house situated on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. Okay, they all lived in their large Pakka ancestral house situated on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. Many poor people and other ate with the family every day. Okay, many poor people and other people ate with his family every day. The Second World War broke out in 1939. The narrator was only 8 years old. When Second World War broke out in 1939, the narrator means APJ Abdul Kalam was only 8 years old. There was a great demand for tamarind seeds in the market. In order to earn some money, the narrator would collect these seeds and sell them in the market. His cousin Samshuddin, who distributed newspaper, employed him as a helping hand. In this way, he started earning some money. Understand? Now, the narrator had many Hindu friends. He would sit with Ramanatha Shastri in the first row in his class. A new teacher came and did not like a Muslim boy sitting with a Hindu. He asked APJ Abdul Kalam to go back and sit on the back bench. The narrator APJ Abdul Kalam and his friend Ramanatha Shastri were very sad. Shastri began to weep when the narrator went to the last row. It had a deep and lasting effect on APJ Abdul Kalam's mind. Later, Ramanatha Shastri's father, Pakshi Lakshman Shastri, summoned the teacher and warned him against spreading the poison of social separation among the children. The teacher felt sorry for his behavior. The narrator's science teacher, Siva Subramanya Iyer, a high caste Brahmin, was quite liberal. One day, the science teacher invited APJ Abdul Kalam to his home for a meal. But the science teacher's wife was very conservative or traditional type of woman. She refused to serve a Muslim boy in her ritually pure kitchen. Okay. But the science teacher served Kalam with his own hands. He sat down beside Kalam to eat his meal. He means the teacher, the science teacher, Siva Subramaniam Iyer, invited Kalam to his house. But this time, his wife, the science teacher's wife, who was a very traditional, conservative type of woman, this time his wife took Kalam inside her kitchen. She served him food with her own hands. So, the narrator inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father. When he grew up, these qualities helped him a lot. He seek his father's permission to study at Ramanathapuram. Okay, he want his father's permission to study at Ramanathapuram. His father agreed to do so. However, his mother did not like the idea of separation. Okay, she don't want to be separate from her son. So she did not like the idea of separation from APJ Abdul Kalam. She became sentimental. Kalam's father referred to Khalil Gibran. So कलाम के जो फादर थे उन्होंने खलील गिब्रान का एक फेमस, खलील गिब्रान जो है वो पर्सियन फिलोसफर हैं, उनका एक फेमस कोट बोला। उनकी जो नर्वस मदर थी, हेजिटेंट मदर थी, उनको कंसोल करने के लिए, हर विद द आइडिया दैट हर चिल्ड्रन वर नॉट हर्स। ओके, ये जो कोट है वो खलील गिब्रान का है, जो एक पर्सियन फिलोसफर हैं। द कोट इज, योर चिल्ड्रन वर नॉट योर्स बट द लाइफ्स लॉन्गिंग फॉर इट्स सेल्फ। मीन्स जो हर चिल्ड्रन वर नॉट हर्स बट ऑफ लाइफ्स लॉन्गिंग फॉर इट्स सेल्फ। दे केम थ्रू हर एंड नॉट फ्रॉम हर। शी could only give her love to them. So Kalam's father asked her not to impose her will on her children. So कलाम के फादर ने उनकी मदर को बोला कि अपनी विल को अपने बच्चों के ऊपर इम्पोज मत करो, मतलब उनको थोपो मत, जो बच्चे करना चाहते हैं उन्हें वो करने दो। अंडरस्टैंड? सो what is the message of this chapter? This autobiographical piece, My Childhood, conveys the message that, very important message this chapter conveys for you students, that one should be hardworking, honest and sincere if one wants to achieve any success in life. It means if we want to achieve success in life, we must be hardworking, we should be hardworking, honest and sincere. So the title of this autobiographical My Childhood is quite apt. So title जो इसका apt है because its focus is on some important events in the life of the narrator Abdul Kalam. So it's all about the chapter. Thank you students.